Budgets are shrinking, but marketers still need to deliver quality leads. That means running a cost-effective campaign is essential. Thankfully, there's a way to predict and target prospects most likely to bite. Let me show you. In today's example, we're going to create an intent audience to quickly find quality leads and launch an ad campaign for our services. First, we'll use Marketing OS to build an intent audience of our best fit accounts. Then, we'll create an ad campaign targeting our newly created intent audience. To begin building our intent audience, go to the Audiences tab and open up the New Audience menu. Click on the Intent option. Intent is ZoomInfo's predictive business intelligence. It analyzes billions of online activity signals to track what a business is researching. This will allow us to hone in on the accounts and leads that are actively looking for a solution we offer. By only targeting accounts researching our solution, we avoid showing ads to people not in market for our services. Let's begin by setting up our intent topics. For this example, we are going to pretend we are an air cargo company offering lower shipping rates. Click on Intent Filters. This is where we'll search for logistics as an intent topic. Hit the Clear All button and then select air cargo. After that, we'll move to the Advanced Filters and adjust our signal score and audience strength. We want this campaign to be highly targeted, so we'll set a high signal score for accounts with large audiences. Now that we have intent topics set up, we can see the accounts we have so far. This is a big number, and we need to narrow this down to ensure we are targeting our best fit accounts. We'll say the ideal customer profile is manufacturing with a minimum of $5 million in revenue that is based out of the United States. We are not going to include headcount or specific technologies. That really narrows things down. We already have a good list of 99 accounts to work with. We are off to a great start. Currently, we have over 1 million leads out of the accounts we have filtered. We need to narrow this down significantly. This list probably has a lot of irrelevant leads that are not a part of the buying committee. We'll do this by filtering for decision makers only. Begin filtering by job title. Decision makers would be director level positions and higher. We also have the option to filter by department. Operations would probably be the best bet here. Next, we'll move down to the lead info filter. Here we can filter by contact info. We'll select mobile phone and business email as must-haves. This ensures sales will be able to follow up with these contacts easily. After that, we have lead accuracy score, which rates how confident ZoomInfo is about the data it's presenting you. We'll adjust our lead accuracy score to about 95. After that, apply your filters. We've now taken our 1 million plus results and narrowed that down to just under 2,000 leads. This is great. Once you're finished, save your intent audience and give it a name. I'll call this Air Cargo Decision Makers. Your audience will appear on the Audiences dashboard. Now that we have your intent audience, we can begin to build an ad campaign based on our list of leads. However, before we build our campaign, we'll need to create an ad set first. Click on the Advertising tab and select Ad Sets. Name your ad set and pick a destination URL. Click Continue, upload your display ads, hit Continue, review your files, and finish. Cool, we're ready to build our ad campaign. Move back to the Advertising tab and select Campaigns. Create a new campaign, select ZoomInfo Advertising. Name your campaign. After that, pick your objective. You have the choice between engagement and awareness. Next, select the intent audience we just created. Go down and determine how long you want the campaign to last for. We'll shoot for about a month. After that, we'll define what budget we are working with here, and then set our CPM. Then, we'll include our ad sets. This is where you can add up to 10 different ads and specify how much money you want to spend on each ad type. Once you're done, you can review your criteria and then launch the campaign. Let's review. In this lesson, we built an intent audience of accounts searching for topics around air cargo. Then, we created an ad campaign to advertise our air cargo solutions to our intent audience. This intent audience and ad campaign are powerful tools that allow you to target the best prospects with your digital ad spend. Instead of only depending on Facebook or Google to interpret your market, with ZoomInfo's intent data, you can target an audience already showing interest in your services and remain confident that your ad spend budget is being used to its fullest potential.